How to fix L.L.Bean Rolling Backpack Handle disassembly and lubrication. Here are some steps for disassembling and lubricating the handle on an L.L.Bean Rolling Backpack. 1. Locate the handle attachment points on the top and bottom of the backpack. There should be screws or rivets visible. 2. Use a screwdriver to remove any screws securing the top and bottom handle attachments. This will detach the handle from the backpack. 3. Slide the telescoping parts of the handle apart to expose the inner sections. There may be a button or clip to release the locking mechanism. 4. Clean the telescoping sections with a cloth to remove any dirt or debris. You can use a mild soap and water if needed. Make sure to dry thoroughly. 5. Apply a lubricant such as silicone spray or lithium grease to the sliding surfaces of the handle. Avoid getting lubricant on the handle grip. 6. Slide the sections back together and test that they telescope smoothly. Adjust or relubricate as needed. 7. Reattach the handle to the backpack using the screws or other hardware. Make sure the attachment points are properly aligned before tightening everything down. 8. Test the handle again by extending and retracting it. It should move smoothly without catching or sticking. 9. Wipe away any excess lubricant. The handle is now reassembled and lubricated for smooth rolling once again. Properly maintaining the handle is important for the functionality and longevity of your L.L.Bean backpack.